So here's the finish I've got at this stage, which is almost final. You can see it's a mirror gloss, and I'm pretty happy with it. I will give when the instrument's glued together and everything's in its place, I'll give it another polish with a different compound from what I'm going to show you. So this finish is actually this chestnut melamine lacquer. I've sprayed it, which means thinning it by half with just a universal thinner, because the lacquer itself is too thick to spray. It's had probably 50-50 lacquer and thinners. It's had probably 8-10 coats maybe, and it's been drying or curing for 10 days at least, I would say, but certainly 10 days. And I start by rubbing it down with worn 600 grit Abranet to flatten it, get rid of all the orange peel and any unevennesses. And then I go up through micromesh pads. The starting one is roughly equivalent to 800 grit, and I only go up as far as what they call tan, which is, I've worked out, roughly 2000 grit equivalent. And then after that I can go straight to a cutting compound. I use T-Cut original, and you just you use that as you would on a car, on paintwork. Just rub it on with a damp cloth, work it in, and then wait until it dries, and then take it off with a paper towel or microfiber cloth, and you end up with this, which is pretty good for this stage. The compound I use for the very final polish is this stuff. It's a Super Nico. It's a French product, but it's I haven't found anything better. This is absolutely great for it works on lacquer. You can use it on shellac, on the French polish finish as well. So that's what I'll use when the instrument's all glued up, and just to give it its final gloss. But at this stage I'm pretty happy with the result the way it is.